Hello, I'm Melanie King. I work with Brooke Moore at California State University, Chico. The subject of this video presentation is inductive reasoning versus deductive reasoning. After viewing this, you should have a good understanding of both of these concepts. Let's begin with an overview. Good deductive reasoning makes it impossible for a conclusion not to be true, given the information on which it is based. For example, if I tell you that Teresa is on the equator, you then know that she is as close to the North Pole as she is to the South Pole. This is deductive reasoning. Assuming that Teresa is on the equator, it's impossible for her not to be as close to the North Pole as South Pole. Here's another example of deductive reasoning. If I tell you that Ninja blenders are very good blenders, because only a very good blender can crush ice, and Ninja blenders can do that, I've given you deductive reasoning. This is deductive reasoning because, assuming it is true that only a very good blender can crush ice, and Ninja blenders can do that, it is impossible to maintain that Ninja blenders aren't very good, right? By contrast, good inductive reasoning only makes it more likely that a conclusion is true, given the information on which it is based. Suppose I tell you that your Ninja blender can crush ice because my Ninja blender can crush ice. The fact that my Ninja blender can crush ice makes it more likely that your Ninja blender can also crush ice. This is inductive reasoning. And one final example. Suppose I tell you that Teresa lives on the equator. You might well conclude that therefore she owns a pair of shorts. This too is inductive reasoning. The fact that Teresa lives on the equator makes it more likely she owns shorts, because the weather where she lives is hot. But it doesn't make it impossible for her not to own shorts. In summary, here's what we've learned about inductive reasoning versus deductive reasoning. Reasoning that makes it impossible for a conclusion not to be true, given the information on which it is based, is deductive reasoning. Reasoning that makes it more likely for a conclusion to be true, given the information on which it is based, is inductive reasoning. We hope this video has helped you to better understand the concepts of inductive and deductive reasoning. On behalf of Brooke Moore and Richard Parker, the authors of Critical Thinking from McGraw-Hill, I'm Melanie King, and we thank you.